The 3 dots menu in Canvas has more options. This is the menu for the module or the week. Let's say I have made a basic arrangement for a week that I want to use again and again. That is, I want to use the same setup, the same items in each week. It's easy to duplicate the week or the module along with everything in it. Now I just created a new module for week 2, new pages, an assignment and a discussion with a single action. By selecting Edit, you can change the titles, but to edit the content, you have to click on the item first and then go to Edit. To change the order of items, you can drag, but when you need to move a document, for example, a long way on the course page, then it's easier to use Move To. Select in which week the document should go, and then you can also select where in the order in that week the document should be. I would like to use the same week setup in my other course. Instead of rebuilding everything in there, I'm going to save time and copy this week to my other course. Find the correct course. In this case, I will just use my test course and click Copy. It can take about 2 minutes until the module is available in my other course. My co-teacher saw this and would like to have a similar setup in his course, so I'm going to let him benefit from my work and send him this module so he can import it into his course. I select Send To, enter his email address and click Send. Rúnar, my co-teacher, goes to his account, into Shared Content, where he can see the week, clicks the 3 dots menu, selects Import, finds his course, and clicks Import. Remove sometimes causes misunderstanding. Remove does not mean delete. I'm going to remove this assignment, as students are not supposed to submit anything in the first week. The assignment is, however, still under Assignments, where students can see it. To delete the assignment, I need to go to Assignments and delete it there. Or I could also change the assignment and use it later, for example. The same goes for pages and files. I need to go to the page directory to delete a page and to the course file directory to delete a file. I'm working on a page in my course. This page was actually better before I changed it, so now I want to go back. Of course I can just click Cancel, but in this case I've already saved my changes several times. In page history, you can turn back the clock, so to speak. You open the page without going to Edit, click the 3 dots menu and select View Page History. Here you can view previous versions of the page and restore the one you like. Finally, the cherry on the top, or the raisin at the end of the sausage, as we say in Iceland. When you accidentally delete something in Canvas, let's say you deleted the wrong assignment and lost your students' submissions, in most cases, items can be recovered. To recover the assignment I just deleted, I click Home and add a / and delete at the end of the browser URL, like so. Then find the assignment and click Restore and OK. The assignment is restored to the course almost immediately, along with submissions, and will be under Assignments. That's all for now. Thank you.